I'm 27 and genuinely feel behind in life. I see people my age building careers, buying homes, moving forward. And I'm in my room teaching myself how to tattoo. There are years that I wasted. I won't lie about that. Man, I took way too long. I avoided risk and I healed, but I doubted myself more than I worked. And that regret hits sometimes. But here's what I've realized at 27. Feeling behind doesn't mean you're done. Staying behind is a decision. So I take one more step. Even when I don't feel ready, even when I don't feel confident, and even when I feel embarrassed starting late. That's what faith looks like to me. Not certainty, not movement. If you feel behind too, you're not